Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best GoPro alternative in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a GoPro alternative that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these GoPro alternatives, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Presenting the E4K action camera. The class-leading E4K action camera features a Sony IMX377 image sensor, which provides excellent image quality, so you can capture 4K at 30 frames per second for up to 2 hours. That means you're able to keep capturing life's adventures for longer. The 155-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface. So previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is smooth and effortless. Electronic image stabilization steadies the action, and live streaming lets you share your world. You can even capture 12-megapixel still images and so much more. The E4K action camera from the new leader in action cameras.
Insta360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The ONE X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The ONE X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
AKASO V50 Elite action camera features 20 megapixel photo and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It records super smooth video with advanced electronic image stabilization. You can control the camera hands-free through voice commands like Action Photo. Need a 131-foot waterproof camera? The V50 Elite is for you.